If you're a landlord and you need to evict a tenant, your first step is writing a legally compliant eviction letter. Here's how. First, choose the right type of letter for the situation. A notice to quit tells the tenant to leave by a set date after a serious lease violation, or a cure or quit letter gives the tenant time to pay past due rent or stop violating a lease. You can also make an unconditional quit notice where there are no second chances, usually for repeated or serious illegal behavior. In your letter, clearly list the tenant's full name and rental address. Also include the landlord's name, address, and contact info, and provide the date of the notice. Give specific reasons for the eviction, like unpaid rent, property damage, or other lease violations. State an exact deadline to pay, fix the issue, or move out, based on your state's notice rule. Make sure to include the landlord's signature at the end. Deliver the notice in a way you can prove, such as hand delivery, posting the notice on the door, or certified mail with a return receipt. Click on the link in the description to find a free eviction notice template and a detailed guide for making your own. If you still need help, use FindLaw's lawyer directory to find a landlord-tenant attorney near you.